Hi everyone. Today we are going to provide a demonstration on how you can connect GoCharting to Finvasia brokerage account and then place your trades directly from our platform. So we have recently integrated with Shoonya APIs from Finvasia, and we are going to quickly demonstrate you how you can connect to those APIs and then trade in NSE or MCX directly from our charts. So let's get started. Suppose we go for something like, say, Nifty futures, right? So this is your Nifty futures chart, right? And what we need to do is we need to go to the App Store and choose Finvasia here, right? So I'm going to choose Finvasia, and you enter your user ID, your password, and your factor two authentication, which in this case is the PAN, and then click on connect. Once you click on connect, the ideally the connection should be established between your APIs and your account, right? If you face any issues, then there will be a notification here. So suppose wrong password, invalid username, or something of that sort, right? Or API is not activated. So in that case, you can reach out to the Finvasia support team and then make sure that you get your account sorted. So once you get connected to the broker, first thing you need to go in is check the ledgers. So here in the ledgers you will see all the trades. So let me show you. These are your trades, your orders, your positions that you have taken, your balance. All of that is kind of in here right now. So now we are in a position to go ahead and place any order if that might be the case. So let me go ahead and start with something like SBIN or sale, for example. So let me choose sale cash in the NSE cash segment. Okay. So this is the sale chart. So suppose I want to place an order right now, right? And suppose it's a limit order, right? So I can literally right click on any part in the chart, and then you will see a menu which pops up with all the options like sell limit, sell market, buy stop limit. So depending on when at what point in the chart you right click, right, it will give you very intelligent options on whether you want to sell a limit or buy a limit. So if the mouse is above the LTP, it will tell you to sell. If it is below the LTP, it will tell you to buy. So the algorithm is quite smart in that case. So you just need to right click at what point you want to place the order, sell limit, suppose, okay, and I want to place quantity 5, limit order, and then boom. And you can see that the order is placed. I can go to the ledger and see that the order is placed. It's in open position right now, which is in sale, just currently placed, and it's not yet executed. And you can also see it in the chart, right? So I can see that there is a sell limit of 5. If I wish to modify it, all I need to do is just drag this this line, this order line, and put it somewhere else, right? So I've just modified it from say 96 to 97, and boom, modified. And then the new order is placed now at 97.4, which was earlier at 96. So I can go back to the ledger and check my orders, and you'll see it is now at 97.4. All right. So that's how you can place an order. That's how you can modify an order directly from the chart. And if you want to cancel an order, there's a cross button. You just need to click on it and it will ask you to confirm yes, and the order gets canceled. Okay. There are also keyboard shortcuts that you can use to do the same thing, which makes it even more powerful. So for example, I can go to the options and go to trading and then enable the quick trade mode. Once you enable the quick trade mode, it means that from now on, it will directly place the order without giving you that pop-up window which you saw, which is this window, right? This window which tells you what is the quantity. Now in this one, you can set the default. So in this case, the default quantity that I have is 5, and there's a check mark, and I click on the check mark, it says default size change. From now on, every order that I place will be of quantity 5. So it gives me the speed of not going through this whole notion of filling up this form. Rather, it will directly place the order from the chart in one click. That's the idea. Similarly, you can choose the product type. I have MIS, and for each of these items that you see here, there is a set as a default. So you can go to this panel from the bottom bar trade and just set these defaults. Once you have set these defaults, now if I go and place the order sell limit, it will directly place the order. It will not ask me for any confirmation. See how quick it is. And I just need to just go and cancel it, and it gets canceled. The same thing can also be done even quicker with keyboards. So if you go to a help panel, which is F1, you click the F1 button on your keyboard and you go to the platform shortcuts. There's something called as trading. Here in the trading, you will see that I can place a limit order literally by clicking on the shift and then double clicking on the chart. If I want to place a market order, I can just click on control and then double click the on whatever point I want in the chart. Similarly for stop order, I can alt and double click. So let's try that. So all I have is right now I have my mouse on this very point 96.92 on the chart, and I'm going to just click on shift and double click, and you see the order got placed. It's as quick as that. If you want to cancel all of your orders, all you need to do is again go back to the F1 model, F1 help module, and just check cancel all. So if you click on F6 in your keyboard, all your orders, pending orders will get cancel automatically. Boom. I clicked F6 and all my orders got canceled. So that's how easy it is to place an order through our charts on Finvasia. Now, if you want to place a market order, the moment you say, let's just put it a buy market order, right? So I've placed a buy market order got placed. You can see the arrow mark. That means the order got executed, and you now can see not an order line but a position line. Now in this position line, you can see that a 5 quantity of order was placed, which is my default that I explained to you, and there's a real-time calculation of the position PNL is this happening here, which is showing right now I am down by 0.25 pesa. But that's how easy it is to now track your PNL or your positions on all your charts. The same thing you can see here. So now I have under trades, I have a buy order, and then under positions, there is a new position that I've added, which is getting calculated, which is seen as 0.25 that we just saw in our chart. So that's how easy it is to kind of place an order. Now, if you want to close the order, you just need to click on this cancel button and it will automatically close the order. So now I had bought 5 quantities and I sold 5 quantities, as you can see in the chart. And that's how easy it is to kind of place an order, track your positions, close your order, modify your order through these Shoonya APIs on GoCharting. I hope you like this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about how do you do the same thing with Option Desk. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.